The VDK extension identifies a VMware virtual disk file containing virtual hard disk data for VMware virtual machines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you mount, manage, or troubleshoot these virtual disk files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful VDK file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. VDK files are virtual disk files associated with VMware virtual machines, storing the complete contents of a virtual hard drive. They contain the guest operating system files, applications and data in a format accessible by VMware's hypervisor for virtual machine storage. VMware virtual disk files use a binary format storing disk sectors with a descriptor containing disk geometry, virtual hardware version, and extent file references. They support thin provisioning snapshots and split disk configurations for flexible virtual storage management. For full editing functionality, VDK requires VMware Workstation Player, which is supplied by VMware, Inc. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows cannot access the guest system inside, so virtual machine software is required. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the VDK file and choose Open With. If VMware Workstation Player is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. When your VDK file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, mounting the disk. Use VMware Workstation's Virtual Disk Utility, or VMware Mount command, to mount VDK files as local drives. In VMware Workstation, navigate to File, then Map Virtual Disks, and select the VDK file. The virtual disk contents appear as a drive letter in File Explorer. Next, attaching to a VM. Open your virtual machine settings in VMware and navigate to the hard disk configuration. Click Add, then Hard Disk, then use an existing virtual disk and browse to the VDK file. The virtual disk attaches as additional storage for the virtual machine. Finally, converting formats. Use VMware's VMware vDisk Manager, or ComuIMG, to convert VDK files between disk formats. Convert to VMDK for standard VMware compatibility, VHD for Hyper-V, or raw image for direct disk access. Use ComuIMG Convert for cross-platform virtual disk format conversion. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.